Fools. They say the most important thing about sports is taking part, but they are wrong. The most important thing is the protective headgear and a nearby ambulance. Watch these clips. This fool's trying to combine his favorite two sports, golf and swimming.
Oh, shit.
He's become his very own water hazard. I pity him. This is a new sport called ball in the face. It's a short game, but a fun one for the kicker. Not so much for the in-the-face guy. Next up, pole vaulting. This guy jumps over the bar, then gets hit by the pole in an unfortunate place. By the way, there are no fortunate places to be hit by a pole, but that's especially unfortunate. This kid's trash talking a punching bag. And that's what you get when you trash talk a punching bag. You know you ain't cut out for running if there's no one else in the race and you still lose. Mini golf. If this was a rom-com, those two would go on and fall in love. But it ain't. Motorbike fools. First up, motorcycles. I like motorcycles. I like riding them fast and feeling the wind rushing through my hair. Fools like motorcycles too. They like falling off them and feeling the ground rushing through their face. Take a look at this. Drag racing in the US. They call it drag racing because it's such a drag. How would you like it if you drove these 3 meters, then crashed into a post? That ain't no fun at all. You're looking at a supermarket in Thailand. This guy goes around the parking lot all day because they don't let him loose on the roads. That's why. The Band-Aids is on aisle 3, sucker. France. This guy driving a moped because he wants to have more fun. All he's gonna get is more pain. Over to Portugal land. There's no way this sucker's gonna drive that little moped over that big pipe. See? It was just a pipe dream. That's a funny joke. Warehouse fools. Now, if you ever worked in a warehouse, you know that driving a forklift ain't easy. Unless you're me, of course. But then I can drive anything, because I'm Mr. T. But for those of you who ain't Mr. T, here's some rules for forklift fools. Rule number 1, don't go messing around and breaking stuff. Rule number 2, don't go driving your forklift through a space you ain't gonna be able to drive it through. Looks like now would be a good time to take lunch. Rule number 3, this is a serious piece of machinery. Don't go showing off. Fools on ice. Sitting on a tea tray, being dragged by a car. Are there any better ways to pass the time? Yep, all the other ways are better than this. Don't worry, the dog was okay. Sometimes I get so angry at fools, I have to go home and punch my wall, just to get the anger out of my system. You should see my wall. It's a mess.
She says that I'm her favorite 'cause she admires the art. Michelangelo with the
flow. Picasso with the ball. Well put together like a piece by
Grr, where's my wall? I want to punch my wall right now.